Why are dentists involved in sleep? Any treatment of the jaws, that is clearly in the realm of dentists. And it's usually a collaborative, sleep physicians, ENTs, dentists.
Dr. Weisman came in and said, hey, I have this new treatment. Does your wife complain about you snoring, or you having problems sleeping? I said, well, I don't have a problem sleeping. I can sleep really easy, but I keep my wife awake. And that's a problem. That night, all of a sudden, I'm quieter. Well, my wife tells me I'm quieter, so that immediately tells that it was working. It's a game changer from a sleeping perspective.
In my office, all of us have been to classes on airway. All of us are caring people. We work as a team. We all have the same goals. And I think it's a place that you'll feel comfortable.